Mr. Talha, are you there? Hey,
Yes, sir.
my dear, what is meant by the user-defined functions? The user-defined functions are the functions that are defined by the users, that are written by the users, that are written by the programmers. Are you getting, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Over
Thank you,
here,
sir.
my dear, over here, the user is specifically is referred by what, my dear? The programmer. Who is the user over here? Programmer. And
Yes,
who is programmer is right now? Mr. Talha. Who is the programmer right now? Other students.
right now.
User defined functions are the functions that are defined, that are written by the user, by the programmer to do what, my dear? To do a specific task. For example, to compute the square of a number, you can write a function over here, and that function will be named as what, my dear? User defined function. You are going to write over here a function named is prime over here to test a number, whether a number is a prime or not prime. And the name of the function is prime. And this function, when you will define over here, this function, when you will write over here, this function will be termed as what, my dear? User defined function. Are you getting, my dear?
Yes, sir.
And after writing the function, my dear, you will do what? You will call the function. And when you will call the function will be executed. The function will be compiled. The function will be debugged. Are you getting, my dear?
Yes, sir. Yes.